Welcome back. It's your girl Carmen, aka Leticia. Or is it the other way around? I've done this so many times and I still don't know my intro. But hey guys, your girl is back with another video. It's on this easy wave tutorial. Literally so simple, so easy. And yeah, don't mention my background, okay? I already explained to y'all in the beginning of this video of why I am on the floor and not where my background is. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yes, channel. And don't mind right here because I put a whole bunch of freaking hairspray and I didn't feel like taking it off. So it's just there, you know. Just don't clock me. Don't worry about that. What else? I just wanted to make this quick video out because I'm gonna be super busy in the next 4 months because I don't know if you guys know this, y'all probably don't, but I do work at a hospital and they are extending our hours, so I will be working later than what I already do. And sometimes I just don't feel like recording a video right when I get home from work because I have other things that I have to worry about. So oh my god, y'all, what the I'm trying to record as many videos as I can at once. Yeah, it's been stressful, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm praying for everybody out there that is an essential worker and that is not, because I know the anxiety and the stress and the worries of what's going on in the world is getting to us all. Us not being able to go outside. Well, Texas now is open. Like, you know what? That's a different conversation. But yeah, I'm praying for you guys and I'm also praying for myself. I'm trying to load as many as I can. Record as many as I can. Y'all bear with me in these next 4 months because it's gonna be real, and I mean real. But nonetheless, if you want to see how I got this easy waves, oh, that's really good lighting right there. See how pretty those are? Anyways, if you want to see how I got this hairstyle, just keep on watching, guys. Hey guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna be doing how, if you hear scratching, that's Leo trying to get in. I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial today, this time, whatever. And yes, I'm sitting down on my floor because I couldn't even bother setting up my setup for YouTube like I normally have with my background. That takes me so long, guys. Like, it literally takes me like an hour to do, so I could not be bothered. So we're gonna be doing like this loose wave hair, and it's so simple and so easy that I was like, you know what, I'm gonna record this because like literally it takes me like 15 minutes, probably more because I'm recording it now, but 15 minutes or less to get this hairstyle, and it's cute. So what you'll need is some hairspray. I just use this because everybody uses it and it's good, and it's a hairspray that holds, and you just need a little bit, but you can use whatever hairspray you want. A wand. This is my best friend's wand. I don't know where she got it from. Sorry, the air conditioning just kicked in, if you can hear that. And yeah, I don't know, it's a 1 inch, I believe. Yeah, 1 inch. You need that, and you're gonna need, clean this brush, but you're gonna need a detangling brush. Just simple, you know, nothing too extra. Take my hair and I divide it into two. It already has waves in it because I did this hairstyle like 2 days ago. And you can use hair oil. I already have oil in my hair, so I don't really think that it needs it again, because I don't like my hair too oily because then it like weighs it down, and no. Alright, so what I do is I just take a section like this right? And I take it and I brush it out. And I go away from my face. I was like, backwards, what? Carmen, they don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Away from my face. So we're gonna take the curling iron, the wand, and we're gonna go away from the face. And you're literally gonna hold this not even 10 seconds. Probably like 5. And just let it go. And you're gonna move on to your next piece. I'm just gonna do a couple. And then finish this side, sped up, and then come back. And then do the other side. And then come back. See, very simple. Like, and I'm taking like chunks. I'm not taking like small sections. Cause you want like a water wave, not like a loose, not like a tight curl. And I'm kidding you not even 10 seconds. And sometimes I don't even use a brush, I just use my hands. Like now, I said that you don't need a brush, but I'm not even using it. Okay, so this side is already done. And then I'm gonna come back and this side is gonna be already finished. We're gonna do some final touches and then be done. Easiest, simple hairstyle. Quick and easy. Alright, so I'm done with both sides. And you can see that there's like, just, you know, perfect little waves. But now I'm just gonna add a little bit of hairspray and just touch up a few little things, because I don't want it to be like really, really tight. I want it to be loose. The point of LooseWaves. Just a little bit. Not a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna take like this section right here and just comb that hairspray through. And then after this, we're basically done with it. We just have to comb out the curls or the waves. And I don't care if if you see hair being pulled or whatever, because when you brush it out, you won't even see that. Alright, now make sure you turn it off. You don't want to burn nothing. So now we're just going to literally comb it. And don't worry, we are going to fix those little indents that you see, okay? It is not going to stay like this. Ooh, ooh, uh-oh. Alright. I don't know about y'all, but I'm like the girl that likes like the messy look, I guess you could say. Wow, look at that. Bam. We got waves in less than 15 minutes. But if you guys want a tighter curl or a tighter wave, just leave it more than 10 seconds. The longer you leave it on the curling iron, the tighter the curl will be. What? Please. Look at them. Look. wavy. Yeah, that is the final look. So easy, so simple, and just so pretty and effective. Like, I love simple stuff. Like, I don't like spending hours doing my hair because I already spent hours doing my makeup. Nobody has time. Nobody has time. And if you want like more volume, you can either take some hairspray and like literally go like this, and it'll, you know, give you some volume, but you can also like comb it out like that. Or you can use your flat iron, take a section, and hold on, let me show y'all. Literally take a section and go like this, and that's gonna bump your hair up. See? This side compared to this side. And that's literally all I do, guys. Like, alright. This is the ending of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something or a new technique. I don't know. Probably not, but hey, I hope somebody did. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I thank y'all so much for watching this, and give it a thumbs up because I really appreciate it, and you don't know how much that means to me. But yeah, guys, I love you guys, and peace out. See you in my next one.